I just wanted to do a quick video about simplifying your life when it comes to trading. And one of the tools that you need to take advantage of is obviously your watch list. Watch list, watch list, watch list. They will make your life a lot easier, especially if you have the data that you need right in front of you. So, for example, the things I like to keep an eye on are obviously the price, the net change, which I just want to see how much is moving up or down. The volume average above normal for the daily, and then the volume average above normal for the last 30 bars on the 10-minute. And then I have my RSI. I can't figure out why I can't get this to work anymore on new computers for the Connors RSI. I got it to work on mine. Try to share the code, it's not working. I try to edit the code or re-implement it, but it's not working when I try it anew. So, but you don't need the Connors RSI. You can just use the regular RSI. And this is what I wanted to share. If you just go ahead and click, for example, this gear icon here, you click on customize, you can go ahead and add your RSI. And I mean, those are the indicators I like to use. You don't have to use the RSI. I'm pretty sure you can use whichever indicator you like. But if you have that information readily available to you and you can see it on a large watch list, you can easily start to pick and catch the stocks that you want to trade or have the potential to do the moves that you expect them to do after they reach certain key levels on your indicator. So, for example, for me, when my RSIs are above 80, I want to see for a move of potential reversal. And when they're below 20, especially when they're below 10, I'm definitely looking for a potential move for a potential reversal. So, for example, and then all I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and start searching for those potential patterns to arise. And or I'm just going to follow these until the pattern is developed. So taking a look here at OSIS systems, OS systems, here we go. See, this thing is rallying high. So on this one right here, for example, I don't see any reversal pattern, so I'm just going to follow it. I'm going to add it to my list, and I'm going to wait and follow it. Similar to the last time it rallied like this. So last time it had a lot of volume. Look at it. This thing is just moving nicely higher, higher, and higher. And all I'm looking for is for a potential reversal and or end of day play on these. I prefer to have them on an actual pattern where the pattern tells me, hey, this thing is likely to gap the next morning, so I may want to take it. So, for example, on this pattern here, had this been on a peak higher, and then the RSI is on the top, then you want to say, hey, let me take this at the end of the day and close it right at the open because it gaps down. Obviously, this is not one that moves a lot, so it's only a standard deviation for a day is plus or minus $1.86. So this is not one of those that you would want to do that on per se, just because the expected gap is probably not going to be that big to make much of a difference in your trading or your account. But now having these indicators here, and again, you can use whichever indicator you like. Let me see. I know a popular one is the VWAP. I'm not familiar with it. I don't use it, but here we go. You can add the VWAP to your columns here. Let me get rid of this one. And then you can just go ahead and set your settings the way you set them. That's always, right? Here we go. Now you have the VWAP right on your watch list. And now when you see the VWAP hit the number that you're looking for it to hit, you can say, oh, perfect. This hit my target, or this is around my area. Let me go ahead and take a look at this one and say, hey, this is a good opportunity to buy and or sell depending on the criteria that you're looking for. So again, I don't have the VWAP set up on my chart, so you won't see it here. But it's just to illustrate the point, guys, that make your life easier. That way you don't have to go through endless charts. If you just see it automatically, what you're looking for already on a watch list, now you can kind of pick and choose which stocks you want to even bother taking a look at. And that's all there is to this video today, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.